Good morning this morning, good morning, and yet again another snowstorm. So I get to trudge to work in basically a blizzard and sit around all day because we're gonna have no customers. Exciting! Yay! So this is happening. Already done with work. One of the longest days ever. I think we had maybe 3 people come in. Okay, I'm exaggerating more than that. But it's just kind of cold and misty now, and we're supposed to get another 4 to 6 inches of snow tonight. And then it's gonna snow again on Saturday. Yay, winter! Ugh, sick of it. Whew, I made it through the sludge and slush. And now I'm home. And today has been a little bit better. Time, I guess, heals all wounds. Being at work and doing things really helps with the day. And talking to people about Puccini, even though it's emotional when I'm talking about it, helps in the long run, I guess. So you have to be brave and confront those feelings and emotions, let them happen, and time will heal it. It gets better, for sure. That's today's video. Not really feeling it, not in it to win it. So it's short and sweet, and tomorrow is a new day. So, yeah. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Remember, daydreaming may lead to reality. Have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! I've got to sit next to a man on the train who is hitting his head and screaming that the trains are out. And it was uncomfortable.